Okay guys, going to go to Ask Scruff. And this is one of those questions that, how do I put it? How long is a piece of string? I'll kind of explain it. So if I come down into Ask Scruff, it's for Lewis, a little salute to you. Ask Scruff, got a question around the rule set of madness. 1, 2, 3, go target. 4, get out where you got in. But what do I mean by 5, just get out? The hard stop after 5 is where you would get out. Right, okay. Let me kind of go through it because it's one of those things of sort of what's the point of 5. First of all, you've got to understand what DCA is. DCA is dollar cost averaging, where you're taking advantage of a price moving against you. Now, there's also the points of no return. Now, we've all done this at one point in our sort of trading career where you've just let a stop run on and on and on indefinitely, and then by some miracle it might have come back. Well, that teaches you a terrible lesson because it teaches you it's okay to run on and on. It can't run on and on. So DCA is looking at stops objectively and then breaking it up, because unless you're nailing it on the head pretty much 100% of the time, the market will move against you. So isn't it nice to capitalize on that? Yes. So my theory is this: 1, 2, 3. If it gets that deep in, there's still a good chance it's going to run onto target. So it's 1, 2, 3 goes target. 4, there's a chance I could be wrong. So I'll let the market come back on itself, but I'll be looking roughly to get out when I've got some decent money in the bag. And then 5, I'm probably wrong, and it's right next to where I'm going to place a stop. I will take the first opportunity to get out of the market. Now, that can be for a small loss, be for a small win. It can be scratch, because 5 doesn't have that far to go up to sort of offset some of the loss that I'm already in. And if the stop is hit, it's that close to where the stop is anyway, it doesn't matter. So it's just a rule set I have in place. Now, if I didn't have that rule set, what's the point of having DCA? There isn't. I just DCA because it works for me and it's industry standard. Believe it or not, these tiny wee tight stops and these massive risk rewards that everybody bangs on about is not industry standard when you're dealing in the big leagues. Not at all. You DCA into the trade, you get a better price, and you look at your stop as one set of criteria, you look at your target as another set of criteria. But the moment you blend them together, you're already lost. And that's why there's a huge failure rate in this industry, because you're forcing a narrative that doesn't exist. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.